Today we're going to take you through the Dark Garden Invocation collection, piece by piece. Originally designed for the Edwardian Ball stage in 2018, it's one of our most popular collections, and we continue to take orders for corsets and ensembles inspired by it.
Hi, I'm Marianne Faulkner. I'm the creative director at Dark Garden. I'm here with Serafina, who is one of our models. She's wearing her look from our Invocation collection. I designed this piece. I love working with Serafina. This is another outfit I designed for her. And I really enjoy designing things that are incredibly impractical for Serafina specifically. So here we have a micro mini corset dress if you would like to show off the back. And some of the details that make this special, of course, we have this incredible embroidered lace overlay. The back panel also has this fun floaty tulle cape, which is a detail that we could add to any corset, really. We've got attached garters, and most importantly, they hook to custom built stockings. And lastly, this neck piece, if you'll spin back around, sort of nice shoulder detail, face framing, and of course more applique. And Autumn herself personally appliqued Serafina's shoes. I'm here with Asia, who's modeling one of the looks from our Invocation collection. This ensemble was originally designed for a model named Corinne. We've styled it slightly different here. Usually the skirt goes on top of the corset, but since we've got the corset on the outside, if Asia spins around, you can see it's got this gorgeous long line shaping. This is a sweetheart long line bespoke corset with straps added. This bronze leather detail is consistent throughout the corset, the collection. It's used in a few different ways. And here we've also extended some corset applique up onto the leather strap. We've also got these amazing opera length gloves, fingerless, that button all the way up their length. And sometimes we also style the ball skirt with hoops or petticoats underneath to give it just a little bit more fullness. Veronica, who is wearing one of the looks from our Invocation collection, originally designed for Abigail Munn of Circus Bella. This is a rare uncorseted look from us. This beautiful gown is bias cut with a plunge neckline and lots of volume in the skirt, including this cheeky little cutout if you want to spin around for us. And lastly, it is finished with our posture harness, one of our standard accessories, also in the bronze leather that you'll see used elsewhere throughout the collection. And here we have Lulu Couture modeling a look based on our Invocation collection, combined with the corset from our Renaissance collection. The skirt is actually in two separate layers. The bottom in this sequence is based on our Madame X style, framed with this cutout, show a little bit of sexy ankle. And I call this overskirt the Muka skirt because of its draped lines. Reminds me of just like that Art Nouveau feeling with all the drapery. This corset is a personalized fit to accommodate a fuller bust. And you can see we've paired our chocolate colored satin with this gorgeous gold embellished black lace. And lastly, it's finished with these cute little short gloves that have buttons down the sides. I'm here with Christine, who is wearing one of the looks from our Invocation collection, originally designed for a lovely aerialist named Nina. The corset that this look is built around is the grable. It's a corset body, and we've accented it with this lace overlay on the front panels and also this self satin applique around the neckline to just echo that sweetheart line. The pants are more of like a split skirt. There's a lot of volume in here, a mix of black mesh and then more of our embroidered lace with this little beading detail, and they tie on the sides here. I was inspired by a Japanese pant called the hakama with this little slit detail, just a peek of the hip. And because we've got all these shoulder and leather accents throughout all of Invocation, we've got these epaulets that buckle on with a little cape. I'm here with Jordan, who is wearing another look from our Invocation collection. This was designed by my colleague Calico Della Fé, originally worn by Lindsay. The skirt is inspired by Edwardian styles. It's a soft A-line in the front, and the back has these arches with tulle insets, lots of volume there. The corset is her signature bespoke style, the Dolly Mop Sansa. It's got this scooped neckline with little points. In this case, we've hooked those points with buckles onto this collar piece. There's a lot of shoulder details in this collection in this gorgeous bronze leather. Again, we have more of this incredible embroidered lace fabric. In this case, we made the overlay as a continuous piece on the front. This works well because it's a smooth busted corset. We can't get away with that on more rounded sweetheart styles. And this whole collection was really inspired by the feeling of earth goddesses.
I'm Autumn, I own Dark Garden, and I'm here to talk about a little ensemble, just a little ensemble that Stormy is wearing. This was originally created for a really amazing performer named Alada Boutte. And one of the really amazing things, this is a joint creation because Alada found this fabric, and from this fabric we created out for the Invocation collection. Stormy is wearing this very, very well, which I adore. So I enjoyed working with this particular fabric because it is so very detailed, and I wanted to match everything very carefully, but I had a really, really limited amount of fabric to work with. Normally I will piece a corset. It'll be 6 to 8 pieces per side, but this particular one just has a few darts in the front, and from the back it is seamed like the rest of our corsets. And additionally, we've got a few godets set in to make room for the hips. I love this corset style because it has a really high back and fits the bust magnificently. So this skirt, I wanted to find a silk that went very well with the really miraculous brocade that Alada brought me. So the lace border that goes with the rest of the Invocation collection, tulle in several colors, just to kind of create some illusion, a little bit of iridescence. And really, what else can we say?
Here's what Dark Garden designers wear to a fashion show when we're showing our Invocation collection.
I'm Marianne Faulkner, creative director at Dark Garden Corsetry, and I am wearing one of our looks from our Renaissance collection. The original model for this is Serafina, with whom we work very frequently, and the really central goal for Renaissance collection was to pair simpler silhouettes to give our clients inspiration for timeless looks that didn't need to be overcomplicate it or blow out their entire budget. So my skirt here is our Jude skirt. It's a classic A-line. This is one of our signature separates. And the corset is our Empress. It's a bespoke style. In the ready-to-wear line, you'll see a similar style called the Alexandra. And what really brings this outfit to life are the fabrications. So the skirt is silk velvet, and I can tell you it is an absolute joy to touch. And the corset has two different types of black and gold lace to give it lots of depth and dimension.
Hi, I'm Autumn Madame. I own Dark Garden Unique Corsetry. Here I am at the Verdi Club, and I am wearing an all silk ensemble. I'm wearing a silk brocade. It's a bespoke corset. Sweetheart Victorian, that's what it's called. Our blue silk roses. And I'm wearing the skirt that I made. It's all shot silk. Many different colors, custom fit to me. And some blue box shoes, la la la.